Hi, this is Hammer from TSC. Right here with me is our brand new 2026 Astro Commuter e-scooter. I'm really excited to show you guys. So in this video, we're going to go over the unboxing, real world testing, and the key features of this model. Now let's get to the unpacking. So here we got the factory charger. We also have a little safety manual here. Here we got the screws and Allen key to assemble your e-scooter. Wow! It's not very heavy, but here it is. The brand new 2026 Astro Commuter e-scooter. Now it's time to assemble this thing. Oops, we can't forget about the Astro owner's manual. So this has all the steps you need to assemble the e-scooter. Now let's put this thing together. Step 1 is to connect the stern. So step 2, guys, is to put the screws in. We've got 8 screws here. You need to put every screw in there. So let's start with the first one. So usually you want to line them out all together before screwing them in. Assembly is all done, as simple as that. So now, guys, let's go over each features one by one. So on the left, there's a belt, your left and right indicator, your front drum brake, and in the middle, there's a LED display. And there's a power button, long press to turn on and turn off. So the Astro Commuter e-scooter is a little bit different from our Aurora e-scooter because this one actually comes with a left and right rear indicator. As you can see, that's the left indicator and that's the right indicator in action. So we also got the ergonomic handlebars, and on the right we have the accelerator. And the Astro also comes with a permanent tail light. So here's a quick tip. Before you take your brand new Astro for a quick spin, make sure your Astro is fully charged. The Astro is foldable. It will only take you 3 seconds. And it's extremely compact and lightweight. So here we've got the external charging port. You've got your reflector, front suspension. And then this is the 10-inch tubeless tire. And here we also got the front drum brake and the engine brake. So the Astro Commuter e-scooter has a very wide deck, and underneath it is where the battery is held. And one unique feature of this deck is it actually has an explosion-proof metal compartment to house the battery. Let's go to the rear. We have the reflector, the permanent tail light, and this is a 10-inch solo tire. That means you don't need to pump air in it. It will never go flat. The Astro e-scooter is a rear motor powered, and it provides you with peak power up to 800 watts and 35 kilometers of top speed. The Astro e-scooter also comes with an extremely bright headlight. To turn the headlight on, you just press the power button twice. Now let's talk about one of the most unique features of the Astro, the app. So the app is very simple to use. All you need to do is turn on your e-scooter, Bluetooth connection. Within the app, you can see your speed, your distance, your trip distance, your battery level, temperature, and you can turn the light on and off. You can change the mode. You can change it from economic, standard, sport, and you can unlock the top speed of your Astro e-scooter up to 35 kilometers per hour. There's also a feature that where if you park your e-scooter somewhere and you can't find it, there is a Find My e-scooter button which will make this unique beep. That will help you locate your Astro e-scooter. So we've got 3 main goals when we brought Astro into our current lineup. Number 1 is affordability. Number 2, it has to come with the latest features. And number 3, it's made for city commuters. Let's do some real world testing. But can't forget about the helmet. It's very compact and easy to fit in your car. Even if you have a small car like this one. So guys, I just had my first ride with the Astro Commuter e-scooters. Experience was phenomenal. You know, I hit a few bumps, but the front suspension made it very comfortable to go over those bumps. The Astro comes with a top speed of 35 kilometers per hour with a max range of 65 kilometers. It has a hill climb rating of 25 degrees, which makes it easy for city commuters to tackle hills if you live in a hilly area like in Melbourne. And it also comes with a waterproof rating of IPX5, which makes it okay to ride in the rain. Now, if you're on the bigger side and consider yourself an Astro, it also has a max load of 120 kilo. Now, the Astro, just like most e-scooters on the market, it's got 3 modes. You have your eco mode, your standard mode, and your sports mode. Each mode gives you a different acceleration and a different top speed. If you want a safe range, make sure you always ride in either eco mode or standard mode. But if you want a little bit of that turbo power, you make sure you put it in a sports mode. So during my first ride, I noticed the brakes felt very responsive due to the solid stopping power. So now guys, let's move on to the next location so I can give you my honest assessment. So guys, based on my honest assessment, the Astro is the best commuter e-scooter at its price point at $1149. It comes with all the latest features, but the thing that really stands out is app functionality, front suspension, power delivery, and the ride is just phenomenal. So in terms of look, guys, the Astro has a very modern and sleek design. Most of it because of the permanent rear tail lights. It definitely turned a few heads when I was riding it back then. However, there are some cons to it. The Astro is not the quickest e-scooter, or its max range is not the highest in our lineup, but it is our most budget-friendly e-scooter with brand new features. So I definitely recommend you to get yourself one, especially if it's your first e-scooter. Now jump on the Simple Commute website to order yours now. And thanks for watching.